All right, we're gonna do a quick beach report. Hard to tell, but we're at Michigan City. We're in the parking lot here. Wind's blowing just a little bit. Oh, we do have one vehicle out here. So we're gonna launch the drone real quick, grab some shots, try not to freeze. It is blowing good. I've got 12 degrees on my truck here. Everything's starting to freeze real good. Truck's shaking pretty good. Perfect day to fly a drone. Yeah, you can see the sand and snow. All right, let's get the drones out, do some flying.